Alright guys, this is day 1. I didn't have my mic recording, so I'm just gonna speed this day up. And on top of that, I think day 3 and 5 I didn't record, just letting you guys know in advance. I would say this week it went really good. I'm not gonna say much, but just know day 5 and 3, no footage on those, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Low-key do not know why I entered in off this. This trade was very mid. I think this trade out of the week was the lowest one. NASDAQ was leading that day. I know that. So I took a sell on ES as I saw NASDAQ was dipping after taking out highs. I wasn't really proud of this trade, but I mean, it still hit. That's all that matters. It's decent. It's just meh. Not really content with this one, but we ball. Boom. TP1 got hit. It low-key takes a while for TP2 to get hit. It hit retraces. As I mentioned before, this trade was mid, and you guys see why. It's a low-quality trade again. Both TPs got smacked out that day. Moving on to day 2. If NASDAQ takes out this high and maintains it, and ES stays below it, which I don't think so, because it looks like it's also going over. But if it rejects it off this high, comes and retests again. We might be taking another sell here on micro. We'll see. Yeah, NASDAQ pushed over, ES below. But we'll see how this minute wick ends. Because, yeah, we're still aiming for those highs. So we should see if it's going to maintain that bullish structure of going up. By the looks of it, it is. Yeah, it's taking out that. No, my thing is, okay, just creating equal. My thing is, if it's going to want to maintain it. Or just go down from there. But by the looks of it, it looks like it's just going to maintain going up. If we see any reversal, reversal point. I don't think so, to be honest. How's our 1 hour looking? Very bullish. 5 minute. Okay, well, it's only been 5 minutes since this shit opened. We took out high. That high. We could be reversing off this now. We'll see though. 5 minutes. We're still in this gap. Yeah. We'll see what this does though. If this takes out, comes retest, and comes back up. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so taking the trade off NASDAQ. ES is leading today. Alright. Let's see this. Looks like we might be getting a breaker structure too. We'll see. Yeah, so this is gonna have its downtrend or a little down move. Are we in equilibrium on the 5? We have a gap here. Small, but it's still there. Up here. So NASDAQ's gonna start coming down. I don't know my bias yet. I want to say buy, but we'll see. Yeah, we're getting our break down. We could test into this gap, which is in equilibrium. Buy in on NASDAQ. Because we're staying above this high on NASDAQ. That's what I wanted to see, to be honest. I want to see it test this gap. It's probably going to inverse this, come back up. Take this out. This is the real gap, to be honest, if this gets inversed. if this one holds. We'll see. What I want to see is ES fully close over this. Right now it's not closing at all. It's just wicking and creating these equal highs. I don't know if it wants to go higher than that, because it could just stay here, just reverse down. Well, NASDAQ is just ripping through that. Alright, well, we closed above it. Here we are coming down. I think we're going to get a breakdown. See if this gap gets respected here on the 1 minute mark. If it does, then alright, that's confirmation that we're honestly going to go higher. Put it on the micro. Yeah, it's ripping, dude. We have equal highs here. I want to see what that does. How price reacts after taking that out. Equal highs here, we wicked. Okay, we're definitely taking this out. Could price reverse off this? Or continue up? Okay, we broke up. Okay, NASDAQ breaks up. We're in. Alright, let me set my take profits. Oh my fuck. Alright, TP1 hit. Come on. Yeah, TP1's getting hit. Nice. This to break even. ES is shooting up. We're gonna take out this. Yes. Okay, so my bias is right. Okay, this trade was solid, but since Asia moves very low, I just saw that there was gonna be a deeper retrace, and honestly, just make me break even. So I just ended up just taking whatever, and I got out early. But we made money that day, so that's all that matters. As I mentioned before, day 3 wasn't recorded. Well, it was, but it decided to record my wallpaper. But day 3, we also made money. I think it was our highest day of like almost $300. So yeah, day 3 we made money as well. Alright guys, fuck, I just woke up. Day 4, I just got fired from my job yesterday. So we're trading New York Open now, guys. Yeah, so NASDAQ's closer to these lows. Market hasn't opened yet. I want to see what it does off these lows. If it pushes, or if it doesn't push. Yeah. Okay, so I do want to mention here, although I'm still in this trade, My dumbass decided to put in a sell limit instead of a stop. So I lost money because of that mistake. However, I did re-enter. Yeah, I'm kind of dumb, as you can see. And I find my re-entry point and then re-enter off that. But that's just a dumb mistake by me. So, I forgot actually. I know I said I made money today. However, I just gained back that deficit that I lost. But when I broke even on the day, it put me in a buy because I didn't put the right amounts. So I lost like an extra like 40 bucks. Yeah, we broke even. We just lost an extra $30. So I'm calling that a break even day. Again, as I mentioned before, day 5 wasn't recorded. Same thing that happened with day 3. It recorded my wallpaper. We lost that day bad. I'm going to show you guys my trade calendar for the week. I think I'm going to do this in future videos as well, so I can show you guys where I'm at. We lost our week's profit. We lost 700. This week was a losing week, but not by much. Minus 200. Honestly, for my reflection, I don't really have much. I just need to stop moving my break-even points too early because it takes me out very early and it moves without me. And I think that's it. I really improved from last week, to be honest. Compared from what I lost last week to this week, still didn't win much, but I improved. So, week 3, let's get it.
I'm a fool to do your dirty work. Go, yeah.